ZenGo Wallet is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that eliminates private keys using secure facial biometrics instead. Here's how to use ZenGo. Download and install ZenGo. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the ZenGo Wallet app. Install the app and open it. Create an account. Set up your account by providing your email address and verifying it through a link sent to your inbox. ZenGo uses facial biometrics for security, so follow the prompts to scan your face. This replaces the need for private keys or seed phrases. Add funds. To add funds, tap on the deposit button. Choose to deposit via bank transfer, credit card, or by sending cryptocurrency from another wallet. ZenGo supports various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Buy, sell, and trade. Use the trade feature to buy, sell, or swap cryptocurrencies. ZenGo connects with exchanges for seamless transactions. Send and receive crypto. To send funds, tap Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, and confirm. To receive funds, tap Receive to generate your wallet address or QR code. Secure your wallet. Your face scan ensures wallet recovery if you lose access to your device. No seed phrases are required.